Bright suns and thanks for tuning in. My name is Mon Mothma, aka Liz, and I'm a librarian for the County Library Sandy Branch. I'm here with my Ewok friend, and we're really sad because we're not going to be able to spend time with you at any fun May the 4th library programming this year. So I thought I would bring some fun programming to you at your homes. If you're interested in learning how to make some fun toilet paper roll Ewoks like these, stick around. The supplies you'll need for this craft are toilet paper rolls, felt in a brownish color and a different color for the hood, a hot glue gun or felt glue, googly eyes, a ruler, scissors, and optionally brown pom-poms and brown pipe cleaners. The first step to making your Ewok is to cover your toilet paper roll in brown felt. Now, toilet paper rolls are different sizes, so you'll want to measure yours to see how much felt you need. For this one, I needed a piece that was 4 inches by 5.5 inches. And so once you get it cut out, you're going to glue it onto your toilet paper roll, as I've done here. The next step is going to be to figure out which color of felt you want for your head covering. I went ahead and chose this color, and I already cut it out. You're going to choose a piece of felt that is 8 inches by either 2 to 3 inches wide. For my toilet paper roll, it's 2 inches by 8 inches. And then what you want to do is measure from one end inward 2 inches and then cut out a little oval as I've done here, and that's going to be for the face. Now we're ready to glue it on to our toilet paper roll. So what you want to do is figure out which side you want to glue down. I'm going to choose this side, and then I'm going to put a couple of dollops of hot glue all around the felt, and then I'm going to keep the seam on the back, and I'm actually going to line up where I want it to go and kind of just stick it on like that. I kind of roll it on there, and you can see that it's now on there and that there's about 1/2 inch from the opening to the top of the head. And now you're ready, you kind of press that down, you're ready to push that back, and I put hot glue all the way around the edge. Now if you don't have felt, you could always just use construction paper if you wanted to, or even just white paper and color it if you wanted to. And then I'm going to just push that forward to kind of glue that on, and then I also like to put some hot glue on the back. And I'm going to glue that down. So there you have the little covering for your Ewok. And now we want to glue his little ears on. So I already pre-cut out some little ears out of some felt. Just eyeball it, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue. For kiddos, you probably want your parents to do this part because it's a little tricky. Now, I would not suggest using Elmer's glue with this. Felt does not like Elmer's glue, not at all. It will just soak through the felt and it will not work. So I'm sticking my little ears on my Ewok and letting that cool down. You can look at it from this side. They're kind of crooked, but that's okay. He's cuter that way. So now we've got his ears on, and we're going to put his eyes on. So I pre-selected some googly eyes, and I'm going to turn them towards me so I can see better what I'm doing. Put one eye on, and the other eye on. His eyes are barely going to fit. He's got some big eyes on this guy. And there you have it. You're actually technically done, except for, I'm going to actually go one step further and give him a paw. So I'm going to choose a little paw, or a little pom-pom that's going to be his paw, and I'm sticking some glue on there. I'm going to choose where I want it to go, and I'm sticking it on there like that. So now he has his little paw, but we're going to give him a staff. So I cut a pipe cleaner in half. I want to figure out where it's going to go. So what I'm going to do is just put some hot glue right on his paw, and then kind of line it up like that. You want to let it cool. I found that I actually wanted to put a little dollop right here as well and stick that down. And then there you have it. Your adorable Ewok that is ready to join the rebels and fight the Empire. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you're interested in more Star Wars materials, be sure to check out our ebooks and e-audiobooks on Overdrive at thecountylibrary.org. I'm Liz, and may the 4th be with you.